Cheap domains, fast hosting, and a sleek dashboard. That's what spaceship.com promises. But is it a reliable domain hosting service or platform you should avoid? So spaceship.com is a domain registrar and hosting platform that offers domain registration, DNS management, email hosting, and VPS servers. It's actually part of the Namecheap ecosystem, which is a well-known company in the domain industry. The site has been around since 1996, making it a long-established domain service. Many users choose Spaceship because domains and renewals are often cheaper than major registrars. The platform also offers built-in security like DNSSES and WHOIS privacy, and reviews mention easy domain transfers and fast setup. Overall, it currently holds thousands of reviews with mostly positive ratings online, but there are also some downsides. Some users report account suspensions or domain cancellations due to automated abuse checks. Others complain about confusing menus or slow interface and animations, and support responses can sometimes feel slow or overly scripted, according to reviews. So while it's legitimate, the experience can vary depending on your use case. So is Spaces.com legit? Yes, it's a real domain registrar and hosting provider backed by the Namecheap ecosystem. But like many hosting platforms, it's best suited for budget domains and small projects rather than mission-critical sites. The bottom line, spaceship.com is legit, but not perfect, mainly attractive because of its low domain prices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.